Good morning. I've been buying some things for the Enfield. I've got some boxes here. I bought another one of those cheap FOD Sports navigation units. Pretty good on the VFR, so I got another one of those. And I got this as well, which is actually already on the bike. Just a seat. That's the old one. What do you do with an old seat? An old new seat. Throw it away, I suppose. Going in. Oh yes. Come on. Some things. That's part of it. That's another part of it. And that's that. This looks like it might be some sort of crash bars. In fact, this is what they call the rally protection kit. So if I were ever to do a rally, I'd be protected. Now, what it is. Yes, it has Royal Enfield written on it. Look at that. Bolts. That's good. That's obviously one side. They look like they're slightly different, which is probably right, because there's an exhaust pipe somewhere in that mix. What's this? Yes. Okay, so we'll pop that there. Now. Oh, look. Two of these now. If anyone would like a stubby cooler, let me know. I don't have a lot of use for them. I'll stick it in the post to you. Royal Enfield Himalayan 450 2024 bike specific hardware kit. Can't remember what colour I got. Yeah? I don't remember getting silver, but I must have done. Did I really order the silver ones? I'll have to go back and check. Don't really care, to be honest. White, silver, black, it all kind of goes together, doesn't it? Barkbusters, sump guardy thing, crash bars, Navi, which may or may not go on today. I don't know if I'm really in the mood for that today. So we've just got to get it on the bike. I did actually take it for a ride the other day when I got these new, rather chunky tyres. Michelin Anarchy Wilds, which are supposedly a 50-50, but they don't look like a 50-50 to me. But there's no way I'm bolting accessories onto the bike while it looks like that. So that means I'm going to have to give it a wash, unfortunately. There and there. It's in two pieces, which is interesting. So. Didn't get the pressure cleaner all the way underneath, did I? Interesting. What have we got there? Doesn't seem right at all. Well, it's too long. It doesn't actually come with any instructions, which is somewhat irritating. I don't know whether it's supposed to. Factory bolts are 14. this kit's a 13. Okay, that looks like it's sort of holding there. Oh yeah, it does. Okay. That'll be why it doesn't want to come off. I've made it easy to get this. There we go. Not totally sure if I'm going to get that back on there again, but anyway. That sort of fits there, but I don't quite know where this is supposed to go. Well, hang on, there we go. Somehow that fits in behind there, but I'm not quite sure how you're supposed to get a thing onto it unless you pull this whole foot peg arrangement off. This piece needs to come off. It's not very tight. Yes. That's better. There we go. Yes, we'll just go through. This comes with this bolt. There's actually a hole, factory hole in the bracket here that lines up with this tab. So clearly this was all thought out well ahead of time by Royal Enfield themselves. And that's 45. And I think this side over here is 60. This one. I already did that one. The old bracket has to come off. That goes there like that. I think we're almost ready to put the actual interesting part on. To put the that feels pretty good. Should get my son down here. He's a fitter and turner. He thinks this is the fitting part, surely. He claims he's a machinist, but anyway. You loosen it off. I feel like that's out of the way. It shows a socket going on there, but that's not happening because there's engine in the way. Oh, there we go. Yes, that actually kind of fits. Actually fits as well, which is intriguing. Usually these things are a total bastard to install. This is where it might get interesting. Okay. I might have... Don't look at my bubble spot. I might have gotten a bit carried away with... Ow! That's quite sharp. Beautiful. That don't need to be particularly tight. It's not holding much on. There we go. Okay. Here we go. That brake line is exactly in the way of where you'd want to put it. So that's kind of annoying. It's not a roomy fit. I do not like fitting barkbusters. They're contrary friggin' things. 3mm Allen keys on the end here is a pretty pathetic size in my opinion, but anyway. That's It would be nice if these came with instructions. The instructions on their website are a bit one size fits all, or in this case one size fits some. Beautiful. Okay, well that's been an interesting afternoon. It took a bit longer than I thought it might. The radiator guard is on. That looks quite snazzy. The rally guard protection pack, sump guard, engine crash guard piece is on, and that looks quite good. The fit is actually very good. I was actually surprised how well it fitted compared to the sump guard on the VFR. It's a dream. So that's on, and the barkbusters are on. The only thing I haven't put on is the navigation, which honestly I've run out of juice. And of course I've got the knobby tyres on there now, or I don't know if they're not really knobbies, although they're pretty knobby. They're quite chunky. I would say they're a 70-30, 70 to 30 road. You can feel every individual knob as you come to a halt, so to speak. Anyway, I'm going to put that back in its parking spot, and tomorrow we're going to take it out to I'm going to take it out to an Enfield ride up Woodford Way, and there'll be some other Enfield people there as well, riders, and could even be one of you. Predicted to be hot and rainy tomorrow, so 33 degrees and raining, which is an interesting combination, but that's southeast Queensland for you. So we'll see. Actually, the jacarandas are at the moment. Oh, look at that. Huh? Fantastic. Beautiful. Anyway.